Welcome to Great Garden, wishing you a wonderful day. To give you more options for caring for your orchids at home using natural methods, today I'll be sharing some new tips to help your orchids bloom all year round, with bigger, more beautiful flowers and strong, healthy roots that grow abundantly. Do you have coffee? Put it in the pot with 0.5 liters of boiling water. Take 2 teaspoons of ground coffee, stir well, cover the pot, and let it cool. This mixture, when used to water peace lilies, helps enrich the soil with nutrients, supports healthy root development, and encourages lush, green foliage. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Garlic is a familiar ingredient that helps protect orchids from diseases, while also providing essential nutrients, stimulating root growth, and encouraging faster bud development. Thinly slice the garlic cloves to help release more of their natural compounds, enhancing their antibacterial and antifungal effects, which further protect the orchid and promote healthier growth. Next, place the sliced garlic into a clean cup to prepare for infusion, ensuring maximum effectiveness of its beneficial properties. Use a yellow lemon and squeeze out the juice from half of it. Mix this lemon juice thoroughly with the thinly sliced garlic that was previously placed in a clean cup. The combination of yellow lemon and garlic not only enhances antibacterial and antifungal properties, but also creates a natural solution that helps protect orchids from diseases while stimulating healthy root and bud development. Pour the lemon juice over the sliced garlic to combine the 2 ingredients. Add it to the cup, along with 500 milliliters of warm water. Cover the cup and allow the mixture to infuse for 2 hours. After 2 hours, stir the mixture well and strain out the solids. Strain out the residue using a fine sieve or a clean piece of cloth. Keep only the clear liquid, making sure no solids remain in the solution, as they can clog or damage the orchid roots when watering. Similarly, after the garlic-lemon mixture has been infused for 2 hours, use a fine strainer or cloth to remove the garlic pieces and any sediment. The resulting liquid will be clearer and easier to use for wiping the leaves or diluting for watering, without leaving behind residue or lingering odors. Use a cotton ball soaked in the garlic lemon solution to gently wipe both sides of the orchid leaves. This helps remove dust, fungi, and insects, while also opening up the stomata to improve photosynthesis and aid in healing any wounds on the leaves. The vitamin C found in lemon helps strengthen the orchid's immune system, making it more resistant to diseases. If you found these orchid care tips helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and join me on the journey to growing healthy, thriving orchids all year round. Combine the two solutions thoroughly, and the mixture is now ready for use. Method 1. Use a spray bottle to mist the solution over the entire surface of the orchid's leaves and roots. This works similarly to a foliar fertilizer, providing easily absorbed nutrients, offering antioxidant protection, boosting the plant's immunity, promoting overall growth, and stimulating flowering. Spray once every 2 weeks. And method 2. Pour the fertilizer solution directly onto the base of the orchid. Coffee contains many minerals such as nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, essential nutrients that help orchids grow vigorously and bloom beautifully. Water the plant with this solution every 1 to 2 weeks. Once a month, you can soak the entire orchid pot in the solution for 20 to 30 minutes to allow for deeper absorption. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. This results in strong, healthy roots, which anchor the plant and improve its ability to absorb water and nutrients. The leaves become more glossy, green and vibrant, reflecting improved health and vitality. With regular care, the plant will be more resistant to stress and disease, and you may even notice more frequent and longer-lasting blooms. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope today's tips help your orchids grow stronger, roots and bloom beautifully all year round. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support Great Garden. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics. See you in the next video.